Sounds broken.
Most likely, sir. I'll bet it was something nice, though.
This is Ben with ConEquip 101. What are we talking about today? Radiators and how you ship them. There's some problems in the industry with shipping radiators because they're precious. So I'm not sure exactly the story behind this box as to why it's so damaged and ripped and torn. But I got a feeling the story went something like this.
¿Uno?
Claro, desde luego. Cuando era niño había toda clase de peces. Mi madre me llevaba al norte a nadar.
Pero puede ayudar a otros.
No tiene agua potable, la tierra no da alimentos.
Let's not ship radiators and oil coolers this way. You should get it on a truck, on a pallet. That is a lot easier than getting thrown around in the back of a brown or white truck. So why is it important to make sure that the packaging is more than adequate for these coolers? Well, you got some little fins inside there that are very precious. We also have the necks that stick out, so the box is already oblong. And the tanks, I mean, all this stuff is either brass or aluminum, so we're not talking about very solid things here. So instead of it getting thrown around and stepped on and everything else, darn it, let's put it on a pallet inside a wooden box. Goodness! Just as a quick comparison, I did some numbers for you. Going from New York down to Miami, Florida, UPS, 4 days, and it's $79. Truck freight, 3 days, $149. It's a little more, I realize that. However, how much more is it, really? So when you're ready to buy a radiator or an oil cooler, buy it from ConEquip Parts because we'll make sure you get it in the way you expect to receive a radiator and a hydraulic oil cooler. I'm Ben, and this is ConEquip 101. Remember, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, send us some tweets on Twitter, and to Donald Trump. Till next time.